Some time ago I bought this book, and this is basically a book with pictures, like a lot of pictures. At some point I thought, wouldn't it be cool to choose some pattern from this book and try to create a digital interactive version of it? Probably using Python, because this is what I do for a living. Creating some sheets in Python. But anyway, let's take this one. It's called Squares, and it was created by Sam Pickard. As we can see, there are squares and they are grouped into some kind of pyramid objects. So I've implemented a digital version of such a pyramid object. It has several parameters. The first one is height. Height defines how many squares build a specific pyramid. The next parameter is scale, and it's basically a ratio between bigger and smaller squares at each level of the pyramid. The next two are X and Y transitions, and I think you can easily get a sense of what they are responsible for. It's like a shift of the whole pyramid from the center of the biggest square. Cool, so now we can add more pyramids and use these parameters to recreate the pattern from the book, which was my initial idea. But I had started experimenting with parameters, sizes and colors, and I found out that these digital pyramids are actually very flexible.
I got mad when they left. I shouldn't have with that funny hat. I took up the hat and picked up a cat. I ate it up and it was very fat. People were crazy, people were frenetic when they saw copper go psychedelic. People were crazy, people were frenetic when they saw copper go psychedelic.
Okay, see you next time.